Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Licando, Florida. We have a inline filter box, and this box is very well contoured. It's a mini box, which is waist level, so it's going to be real easy to check on your filter and to clean it out. It's got a real sturdy bracket, goes right through a quarter plate. Fits really nice on the compact series as well as the SE series, which is a wider unit, which receives on the left. This one receives on the right, as you can see. It's got two sizes, so if you decide to use a 2.5 or a 2-inch hose, it's all has bushings on it, so it makes it a lot easier. It's all stainless, and this goes straight in on a hard wall. We use a 2 3/8 with stainless clamps. As you can see, it's all stainless. It's real thick. Quality, high quality stainless. And there's our debris basket. And it's just a really nice little setup here. I think you guys would enjoy having something that is not something you'll trip over like some of these other canisters that are sitting on the ground. I mean, it's right there where you can use it. You don't have to bend way down in order for you to be able to clean it out. And it's just been a nice addition to the accessory package, to either the compact 45 or 36 or any of the SE series of Blue Baron truck mounts. And it goes right into receives right into a 2-inch over here. All of this is stainless, of course. We use high quality fittings, and everything is just really nice in the way we do it. But a 2 3/8 hose hard wall will go right on there. It's got a lot of sound absorbent qualities in the hose itself. And this unit will be nice and quiet too, just having this on here as well. But it's just so easy to maintain. Now you don't have to get up in the truck to make a connection to your waste tank. It's right where you can get at it. Easy to clean. And don't have, a situation where you have higher liability having one of those cheap canister inline filters that are sitting on the ground waiting for someone to trip on them. So as you can see, there's another view here in the back. It's got that real sturdy bracket going through the quarter plate. Real nice. Look us up on the store, truckmountstore.com 24/7. Call us today at 727-505-2989. And we'll hit you up with the best inline filter box known to the industry. And you're not seeing this type in the way that we do it. It's very compact, very easy to use. Call us today. Thank you.